Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to get the best working Fashionphile coupon code. So I have found this website right here called Fashionphile coupon or .value.com. So it's fashionphile.value.com. So right here we have their actual codes that will vary from time to time. So we are speaking in November 2024 and these are the codes right here. So we can get up to 50 codes right here and there's going to be prerequisites on the codes, of course. So there's gonna be certain things that you can copy and not get really because sometimes there'll be requirements like credit card payment or just free shipping or you must have a minimum of $1,000 order and very much more. So you can check it out right here at fashionphile.value.com. So you can check it out right here and you will just get the code right here and then just basically get it and it will redirect to Fashionphile and then you'll be able to actually use the code basically to purchase items. So it's just that simple. So there you go guys, that is how you get the best working Fashionphile coupon codes.